Start.
Hello friends, today we are going to see the next page replacement algorithm, that is least recently used, that is also known as LRU. In this algorithm, the page that is used least recently will be replaced. It replaces the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. And in this algorithm, the number of page faults will be reduced if we increase the number of frames. So the advantages of these algorithms are as follows. It does not suffer from Beldy's anomaly, and this algorithm is quite efficient as compared to the FIFO algorithm. And the disadvantages of this algorithm are as follows. Its implementation is not that much easy, and it needs expensive hardware support or additional data structure to implement. So today we are going to see the problem on least recently used algorithm. Consider the following reference string: 70120030423033120. So how many page faults would occur assuming the 3 frames using the LRU page replacement algorithm? Since in the problem 3 frames are given, you have to make this frames like this, and the reference string you have to write down in this way. Okay, so how you are going to apply this LRU algorithm? In LRU algorithm, which page you have to replace, which is the most recently used. Okay, so right now we will start from the first string, that is 7. So firstly, this all frames are empty. Simply what we will do, place this page 7 at this first frame, and since this page is not there in the main memory, this is known as page fault. Okay, so next page you have to insert in the main memory is what? 0. And since these 2 frames are still empty, so simply we can place this 0 at the second frame, and this 0 is not already there in the memory, so again this is also known as page fault. The next page you have to insert or push in the main memory is what? 1. But if you see the previous 3 frames, again this third frame is empty. Simply you can place this 1 at this third frame, and again this 1 is not there in the main memory. This is known as the page fault. Okay, now the next page you have to insert in the main memory is what? 2. Okay, so to insert this page 2 in the main memory, what you have to do, you have to see the left hand side of this page, whatever you want to insert in the main memory, and the pages you have to see in the previous frame that is there in the main memory. Okay, now if we'll consider these 2 to insert in the main memory, you have to check out of this 107 which page was the least recently used. That means you have to check this side, left hand side of the page which you want to insert in the main memory. Now if you compare these 3 pages, 107, so out of these 3 pages, 7 is what? Least recently used. If you see 1, this is the most recently used. Then 7 is what? Least recently used. So to insert this 2 in the main memory, what I will do, I will replace this 7, and in that place I will insert this 2 in the main memory, and this remaining 2 pages are as it is. Okay, and this page number 2 is not there in the main memory, so this is also known as the page fault. Okay, now the next page you have to insert in the main memory is what? 0. Now if you see the previous pages, okay, this 0 is already there in the main memory. Okay, as you already know, whenever the page whatever you want to insert and the same page that is already there in the main memory, that is known as the page hit. Okay, you want to insert this 0 and 0 is there already in the main memory. So what you have to do? You have to keep the same pages as it is. Okay, and this is known as the page hit. The next page you want to insert is what? 3. So to insert this 3, you have to check the page 102 out of this 3, which is the least recently used. Again, what you have to do? You have to check this left hand side of this 3. So firstly check 1, then 0, then 2. If you compare these three numbers, 1 is what? Least recently. 0 to 1. So 1 is the least recently used page. So simply replace this 1 and place this 3 in place of that, and the remaining pages are as it is. Okay, this is what? Page fault. Now the next page you have to insert is what? 0. And if you see the previous frames, 0 is already there in the main memory. So what is this? This is known as the page hit, and you have to write down the pages as it is. And but this is what? Page hit. Now the next page you want to insert is what? 4. To insert this 4, again what you have to do? You have to check the left hand side of this 4. So from that you have to check out of this 302, which is the least recently used page. So 3 is here, then 0 is here, again 0 is here, and 2. So out of this 302, 2 is the least recently used. So simply what I will do? I will replace this 2 and I will place this 4 in place of that, and the remaining pages are as it is. So this is what? Page fault. Now the next page I want to insert is what? 2. So to insert this 2, again I will check the position of these 3 pages, that is 3, 0, 4 at the left hand side of this 2. Check this 3, then 0 and 4. So out of this 3, 0, 4, 3 is the least recently used. So simply I will replace this 3 and I will place 2 in place of that, and remaining pages will be as it is. So this is what? Page fault. Now the next page you want to insert is what? 3. So to insert this, again I will check the left hand side of this 3. So from that I will check this 3 pages, that is 2, 0, 4. 2, 0, 4. So out of this, which one is the least recently used? 0. So simply what I will do? Replace this 0 by 3, and remaining pages you have to write down as it is. This is what? Page fault. Now the next page you want to insert is 0. So to insert this 0, check the previous pages. 2, 3, 4. Out of this 2, 3, 4, which one is the least recently used? This page 4. So I will replace this 4 by 0, and the remaining pages I will write down as it is. So this is what? Page fault. Now the next page you want to insert is what? 3. But if you see the previous frames, this 3 is already there in the main memory. Okay, and this is what? Page hit. So whenever page hit is there, I will write down all the pages as it is. So this is known as page hit. Now the next page you want to insert is what? 1. So to insert this 1, what I will do? I will check the left hand side of this, and from that I will check this pages 2, 3, 0. If you see the left hand side of this 1, 2 is here, 3 is here also, and here also, and 0. Okay, out of this 2 is the least recently used. So simply I will replace this 2 by 1, and the remaining pages are as it is. So this is what? Page fault. Then next page you want to insert is what? 2. To insert this 2, I will check the page 130 in the left hand side. 130. So out of these 3 numbers, 0 is what? Least recently used. So simply what I will do? I will replace this 0 by 2, and the remaining pages are as it is. Again, this is what? Page fault. The last page you want to insert is what? 0. To insert this 0, I will check page 132. 132. Out of this, 3 is what? Least recently used. So simply replace this 3 by 0, and the remaining pages are same. So this is what? Page fault. So in this way you have to solve the problem using the LRU algorithm. Okay, and if you want to compare FIFO and LRU, in FIFO what do? You can replace the page which was inserted first, whereas in LRU you have to replace the page which is the least recently used. Okay, so what you want to calculate in this? The number of page faults, page hits, what is the hit ratio and what is the fault ratio. Okay, so find out the total page faults. So total page faults, or you can say the miss. So count the page faults whatever you are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and how many page hits are there? Page hits 1, 2, 3. Once you will get the page fault and page hit, you have to find out the fault ratio and the hit ratio. So what is the formula for fault ratio? Fault ratio can be calculated by using the formula total page faults divided by the number of strings. Okay, so 12 by, you have to count this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and always you have to multiply this by 100. So the answer of this you will get as 80%. Okay, and how you are getting the hit ratio? Hit ratio can be calculated by the formula total page hits divided by the number of total strings. So total hits you are getting are 3, and the number of strings are again 15. Multiply this by 100. The answer you are getting for this is what? 20%. Okay, now if you compare this FIFO and the LRU, you are getting the equal number of page faults and the page hits. Thank you.